Hello kids, this is Surender. Today we will see about estimation and rounding of numbers and also cover exercise 1.2 in chapter 1. So estimation is done basically to verify answers or check answers, and we usually round off numbers to nearest tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, etc. Now we will learn how to round off numbers to the nearest 10. Let us take, we want to round off 81. Okay, now the way to do rounding off to nearest tens is 10 means 10, it has 10 in it, so put 10 in the last digit, so write 80, add 10 to it. 80 plus 10 is 90, so put 90 here. Okay, and put the number which is middle of 80 and 90, that is 85. Okay, now see where 81 falls here. 81 falls between 80 and 85, correct? So 81 nearest to 10 is 80. Okay, now if you want to find out the nearest number, like nearest to 10 for 87, let us take. Now 87 falls in between 85 and 90, so nearest 10 for 87 would be 90. Okay, now let us see rounding of numbers to nearest 100, and let us see how to round off 220. Okay, now 100 means 100, there are two zeros, so put two zeros from the right side in the number, 0 0, and write the digit on the third place onwards as it is. Now add 100 to 200, that is 200 plus 100, which is equal to 300. Write 300 over here. Put what is the middle number between 200 and 300, that is 250. Right, now if you want to locate 220 nearest 100, this 220 comes between 200 and 250, right? So nearest 100 will be 200. If you want to put the nearest 100 for, let us take 280, this 280, if you see, comes between 250 and 300, so nearest 100 for 280 will be 300. Okay, I hope you understood this. Let us go to the next exercise as given in the textbook. Okay, there is a question asked about what is the rounding of number for 250 and why. Okay, so as we discussed, the rounding of number of 250, we will round off to nearest hundreds. Why we need to round off to the nearest 100? See, the number given is 250, so it makes more sense to make it rounding off to hundreds, nearest 100, rather than nearest tens, because the number is in hundreds. So how to make the nearest hundreds to 250? Since 100 has two zeros, put two zeros and copy the digit 2 as it is. Now for this 200, add 100. 200 plus 100 is equal to 300, so write 300 over here. And what is the middle number between 200 and 300? 250. Okay, So we want to round off the number 250 itself. Okay, 250 itself we want to round it off. Okay, generally the convention is from 200 to 249 we round it off to 200, and from 250 to 300 we round it off to 300. Okay, so the rounding of number for 250 would be 300. Okay, I hope this is clear to all of you. Now let us go to the next one. Okay, there is a small section in a textbook named as do this. So I picked this problem from do this subsection, where we are asked to find out the or round off the numbers to nearest tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, let us do for 48. Since it is 10, put 0 and copy the second digit given in the number, then add 10, which becomes 50. Write the middle number 45. 48 falls between this range, so rounding off number is 50. Similarly do for 62. Okay, so put 0 1, I mean 1 0, because we wanted to copy to nearest, round it off to nearest 10, then copy the digit as given in the problem, then add 10 to it, which becomes 70, and write the middle number, which is 65. Now 62 falls in between this range. Okay, so the nearest number is 60. Similarly for 100 we will do. Okay, 100 has 2 zeros, so write 2 zeros and copy the third digit as it is over here, and add 100 to this 100. So 100 plus 100 is 200. So write 200 and write the middle number, that is 150. This 128 will be between this range. Okay, so rounding of number is 100. Similarly do for 695. Put 2 zeros and write 600, then add 100 to it, which becomes 700. Write middle number 650. Okay, this falls between this range, so the rounding of number to nearest 100 would be 700. Do the same thing for thousands. Okay, 1000 has 3 zeros, so write 3 zeros and copy this digit 7000, add 1000 to it, that becomes 8000. The middle number will be 7500. Okay, and this 7500 is, I mean 7452 will fall in this range. Okay, so rounding of number would be 7000, because this is near to 7000. Do the same thing for next one, which is write 9000, then put 10,000, because we want to add 1000 to 9000, and write the middle number, that is 9500. Okay, so this falls between this range, so nearest 1000 is 10,000. Okay, I hope you got this logic. Let us move to the next one. rounding of numbers for 10,000's place. Okay, let us do one example for this. How do you write 10,000? 10,000. Okay, this has 1 2 3 4 4 zeros. Now let us take, we want to round off 94,500. Now how we will solve this? Put 4 zeros and copy this number, copy this digit, sorry. Then add 10,000 to 90,000. 90,000 plus 10,000. It becomes 0 0 0 0 1 lakh. Okay, what is the number which comes in between? 95,000. Okay, now this one, where it fits? This fits in this range because it is more than 90,000 and less than 95,000. So nearest 10,000, sorry, number for 94,500 would be 90,000. Okay, I hope you understood this. Let us go to the next one, which is asking us to expand the numbers. So in order to expand the numbers, we need to know the places of each digit. So which is, let us choose another color, which is, this is in units place, this is in tens place, this is in hundreds place, this is in thousands place, and this is in 10,000s place. Okay, so in order to expand the number, take the digit from the left side, multiply it with the place. So the 3 is in 10,000s place, 10,000 plus next digit is 8, this is in thousands place, plus next digit is 4, which is in hundreds place, next digit is 0 in tens place, and next digit again is 0 in units place. Okay, just so write the multiplied result. This is 30,000 plus 8,000 plus 400 plus 0 plus 0. Okay, so this is the expanded form. Similarly, we'll write the expanded form, the next number given. This is units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Okay, so 7 into 10,000 plus 7 into 1000 plus 8 into 100 plus 8 into 10 plus 8 into 1. This becomes 70,000 plus 7,000 plus 800 plus 80 plus 8. Okay, this is expanded form of the numbers given in the textbook. Okay, similarly you can try for other numbers for your practice. Let us next move to the actual exercise, which is 1.2 exercise. I'll try to cover as many bits as possible. The rest you can practice on your own, or if you have any doubts while solving the problem, you can always send me a message or write the comment below, so that I can answer it quickly. Okay, the first question, the first question is to round off the following numbers to the nearest tens. Okay, I've chosen the given numbers so that we can solve some samples. Okay, now this is tens, right? Tens means we have 1 0. So write 0, then write the digit as given here. Okay, add 10 to it, that becomes 90, and write the middle number 85. Okay, now this 89 belongs to this range. Okay, that is near to 90. Okay, next tens place, write 0 and write 41 as it is. Okay, add 10 to it. 410 plus 10 is 420. Okay, write 420. What is the number in the middle of 410 and 420? It is 415. Okay, so 415 is exactly the number given over here. Okay, same as, so by convention this falls into this range. So the nearest tens rounding of number is 420. Okay, we'll do for the next one. Put 0, then 5, 9, 3, add 10 to it. So 3950 plus 10 is 3960. What is a number which comes between 3955? Now this comes in this range. Okay, so rounding of number is 3950. I hope you understood this problem. Let us go to the next problem. Rounding of the numbers to the nearest hundreds. Okay, so nearest hundreds is, okay, it has 2 zeros. Now write 2 zeros and write the third digit given in the number. Then add 100 to 600, that becomes 700, and the middle number is 650. Okay, now the 695 will fall in this range. Okay, so the nearest hundreds will be 700. Similarly do for the next one. So write 2 zeros and remaining numbers you can copy. 136. Okay, now add 100 to 13600, add 100 to it. It becomes 00713. Okay, so this becomes 13,700. What is the number in comes between? 13,650. Okay, so where that number comes? The number comes in this range. So the nearest hundredth will be in this one. 13,600. Okay, I hope you understood this problem. Let us go to the next problem. Round off to the nearest thousands. Okay, so when you say thousand has 3 zeros. Okay, so put 3 zeros in all the numbers given. Okay, the first one says put 3 zeros and copy the 3 as it is. Add 1000 to 3000, it becomes 4000. So the middle number will be 3500. Okay, and this 3450 will come into this range. So the answer is 3000. Okay, similarly for the next one we can solve. Put 3 zeros, then copy the numbers. This becomes 70,000. Okay, add 1000 to it, 70,000, and add 1000. Okay, it becomes 71,000. Okay, the middle number will be 70,500. This comes in this range. Okay, the answer is 70,000. Okay, let us do the next one. So put 3 zeros, since we wanted to the nearest thousands. Put 4000, add 1000, which becomes 5000. What is the number which comes in between these two? 4500, and 4001 falls in this range. Okay, so the answer is 4000. Okay, hope you understood this one. Let us go to the next problem given in the textbook. Okay, so the next problem we were looking is write the numbers in short form. Okay, this is pretty simple. Just we need to add all the numbers. Okay, write the first number as given, 3000. Write the second number below this. You have to write numbers into correct places. The first digit will come here, the next digit will come here, and 4 will come here. Then add the next number that is in units place, so right over here. So when you add all these, 0 plus 0 plus 7 is 7, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 4 is 4, and 3 comes as it is. So number is 3407. Similarly, add next number. Okay, so it is 90,000. Then write the next number given. We have to write from the right side. Okay, then 0 0 9 0 9 9. So when you add this, you will get 9 9 9 9 9. So the answer is 99,999. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Let us go to the next problem. Okay, write in the expanded form. To get the expanded form, always remember you need to write the places for each digit first. So this is units, tens, hundreds, thousand. Now it becomes very simple to write. So it is 4 into 1000 plus 3 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 8 into 1. So this becomes 4000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 8. Okay, similarly we'll do for the next one. Units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Okay, so 2 into 10,000 plus 2 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 2 into 1. Okay, so the expanded form will be 20,000 plus 2,000 plus 200 plus 20 plus 2. Okay, so with this we completed the exercise 2. If you have any doubts, please send me a message or write on a comment. And we are done with exercise 1.2 of chapter 1. Thank you.